This is the other half. This is the other half of Mr. X Lawson. This otherwise known as the better half. Without her, I don't know what we would do with the sex man. So, Regina, you know how much I love you, girl.
I love you too. Yes, I do.
And you are the person that keeps X going. I see a change in him. He's a stronger man, a better man. You made him a good husband, a good father. Work it, baby.
Yes. With the help of the Lord.
But I mean, just on the real. You and the kids, that's one thing about this business. I tell my own children that, if I need some volunteers, I ain't got to look around, and y'all are related to me, so you coming up in here. So I see that X has adopted that with his own wife and children, because y'all are here on every fundraiser that we have. Yes, and this year, you have been working as helping us to get the food picked up and work in the green room with Juanita. Mm-hmm. And you met some great people so far, right?
Yes, I have. Okay. Wonderful people.
And this is the 9th Radiothon. You probably never thought we'd get this far, did you?
I think ahead you're going to get even further.
Okay, so next year we're going to blow it out, right?
That's right.
10th anniversary.
That's right.
So this has been a fun experience so far?
Yes, it has. It's been quite challenging, but me and the young lady over there, we're pulling it through.
Okay. All right, bless Jesus.